Hey guys, what's up? It's Isabelle and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is a very exciting video and I'm really been looking forward to filming it for a little while. Today is going to be a decorating my room for fall slash preparing for fall slash fall room tour type of video. I always ask you guys on my Instagram for video ideas and a lot of you said fall videos, preparing for fall, decorating my room for fall, that type of thing. So here we are. If you're new, like this video, subscribe down below, follow me on my Instagram and all my other social medias. They're all down below in the description box. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video because it's probably going to be a process and I'm going to try to finish it all today and it's already 4 o'clock. So this is the box that everything is in currently. We haven't really dug too much into this box yet, so I'm really not sure everything that's in it. We're just gonna start looking through it and going from there. I also have this huge like blank wall in my room that I've like slowly been starting to fill up, literally over the course of all of 2020 probably. But we're just gonna try to finish it today because I'm really bored of looking at a half-finished wall. So we have these shelves right here to decorate. This usually is my most prized possession in any different like season themed room. I know what I'm doing for all these shelves already and I'm really excited about it. So I'm just kind of gonna start. I really don't even know where to start, but to set the mood today, we are going to be playing a Fall Feels playlist. So okay, so we're just gonna start digging through this box and kind of figuring out what we have. That way I know like what I need to take down and what can stay up. I really don't know what's in this, but we're really just gonna try our best today to go through it all. Oh my gosh, wow. This is like literally giving me so many vibes. Like I am so excited for fall. It's actually been starting to feel like fall recently, which is making me really happy. This is like really bringing back some memories. You ever see something and you're like, whoa, and it just like brings you back to a time? Oh my gosh, my favorite decoration of them all. This is my sister's face on a spider and we hang this in my room every year. I think I'm just gonna continue to go through this box and then I'm just gonna start decorating. I'm just gonna like start. You guys will watch some time lapses and I'll explain some stuff. But yeah, this box is pretty much just full of pumpkins at this point.
I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself. Don't know what to say, things ain't the same. I felt that we lost our way, the street is two ways and go.
Let the shelf decorating begin. It's my favorite part to decorate, so that's why we're doing it first.
When the world is going hazy and I lose my mind, I'm the only one that sticks by my side. When things are going crazy and shit ain't right, baby, I'm my own ride or die. Through the dark and the sad, people tend to leave. I'm my own.
Okay guys, so I have finished clearing off my shelves and I also wiped them down, which hasn't happened in a long time. But here is all the stuff that was on my shelves featuring my dead plant. I did have this hairy vinyl on there just because it was kind of going with my aesthetic of like the gold and the pink. Like you can see my bed, it matches perfectly. But I was thinking since like I will still have space for another vinyl, I might put the One Direction one up there because it's orange and it goes with the theme. So we're probably gonna swap that out and it will literally look so perfect. So I'm really excited. Then the next thing that goes on that same shelf is this letterboard, and this is what I've had on this for like literally such a long time. But it's probably time to change it to something fall related or something like that. Yeah, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'll put it up on that top shelf and we'll be good to go.
While you're lying to rest
Okay guys, so I've got a lot done. The main thing that I still need to do is hang like some leaf garlands over here just because it's looking super bare. Let me just show you a little bit of what I've done so far. I'm gonna do like a fall room tour overview at the end, but this is kind of like what I've got going right now.
Question: if I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do? Do 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 do. What would I do?
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Smile, smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Look like art.
Alright guys, that is my fall room tour and just kind of a redecorating, preparing for fall vlog. If you guys like these fall type videos, please let me know because I love fall and I would love to make more videos surrounding the season. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment down below if you want to see more fall videos. Also follow me on my Instagram and all my other social medias. They are all down below in the description box. That's all I pretty much have for you guys today, so I will see you next time with a brand new video. Bye guys.